Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Cloud storage in 60 seconds by Salih Ziyad, Network and vSphere Administrator and Virtual Instructor at NTX and founder of NetPlus Software. So let's know about cloud storage now. What is cloud storage? So cloud storage is a service that allows you to store and access your files and data over the internet. And you know that we have covered the real example of cloud storage as well, which was created by Microsoft, known as Azure Storage, Blob Storage, etc. So you can also know about that by going into IT in 60-second playlist. Okay. Instead of saving files on your computer's hard drive or SSD, they are stored on remote servers maintained by a cloud storage provider like AWS, Azure, GCP, OCI, etc. This enables you to access your files from anywhere with an internet connection using various devices like computers, smartphones, or tablets. Cloud storage offers convenience, scalability, and data redundancy, making it a popular choice for backup, sharing, and collaboration.